The big move in the last 3 years is we made a very large, what we've called the AI+X cohort hire. And so as part of this cohort hire, we've hired 21 faculty members. 15 of those faculty members are not in the traditional field of computer science. They're not in the traditional AI field, which is usually housed within computer science. And so I don't know of almost any other university in North America that's made that kind of commitment of 15 profs over about as many months to try to push that forward. And then the other side of it is that it might be that your X is one of the X's that we hired people into. It might be that you work in the space of medical devices, and that's a place that we have expertise actually at operating at that intersection. And maybe you want to talk to us because we can actually do research that's going to directly advance something that's really important to you.